Hello, this is Dr. Steven, and welcome to Gentle Health. What if I told you that the same morning coffee you have enjoyed for years could become a secret weapon for rebuilding your muscles after 60? Many people believe that muscle loss is just a normal part of aging. But the truth is, with the right nutrition at the right time, you can help your body grow stronger again. The condition that makes your muscles weaker with age is called sarcopenia. Exercise is important, but the real key is timing your nutrition when your body is ready to build. And your morning coffee is the perfect way to deliver it. By adding just a few simple ingredients, you can protect your muscles and joints naturally. The first is dark cocoa powder. Adding 1 or 2 tablespoons to your coffee improves blood flow, helps your body use protein better, and supports muscle growth. The second is collagen peptides. Collagen is what holds your muscles and joints together, yet your body makes less of it as you age. 1 scoop of collagen peptides gives your body easy-to-use protein that repairs muscles and supports joints. The third is MCT oil. Just half to 1 teaspoon gives you steady energy that fuels both your muscles and your brain without the afternoon crash. Here is how to make it. Brew your regular coffee. Stir in cocoa powder, add 1 scoop of collagen peptides, and then mix in MCT oil. Drink it within 30 minutes of waking up before your first meal. When you do this daily, many people notice more energy in the first week, steadier balance by week 2, and stronger legs within a month. If you found this helpful, do not forget to subscribe for more natural ways to stay healthy and strong after 60. Wishing you strength, energy, and independence for the years ahead.